Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. I apologize for it being so long since I posted anything. I have had quite a week last week and didn't get a chance to do anything this week, or to post anything anyways. But yeah, my daughters were sick last week and it was not fun, so I didn't have any time to upload anything. So we're going into the summer months, and while you can still grow things, it's more difficult to grow things in Florida in the summer months, at least where I am. And so I still have stuff growing. I mean, obviously my garden's still going, so I'll do videos and show that. But I am going to be just more limited on what I can actually get to grow right now, because of the heat and the humidity and the bugs and everything just get too bad for most things. I am working on adding some wood chips to the walking rows in the garden, and that's coming along slowly but surely, because it's I have to do it one, wheelbarrow load at a time. But yeah, so that's coming along, and I've already harvested a decent amount of stuff. Okra's still going. That's one of the plants that you can keep going during the summer if you get it established. Black-eyed peas, the yard-long beans. Yeah, so various things like that I've already been picking. I've got pumpkins growing. I've actually planted some in my wife's grandfather's garden that he asked if I wanted to plant a couple rows over there, so that's where I've gotten a lot of stuff from. The black-eyed peas, I grew it in mine, but I got a lot of the yard-long beans from him, or from his garden. I didn't grow any in my garden because I had them over there. But I got some black-eyed peas, and I have the pumpkins growing over in his garden. Got the black-eyed peas from my house, from my garden, and I'm about to be planting some more. They're a good cover crop, so during the times of the year, like especially right now when it gets so hot that not much else wants to survive, black-eyed peas are a good thing to grow. You can grow them to get peas from, obviously, but you also can grow them and use them as a cover crop to fix nitrogen in the soil, and to it's always good to have. You don't want it to have just bare soil. It's always good to have something with roots in the soil to help maintain the soil integrity and the soil nutrition and all that stuff. So I'm gonna be planting more black-eyed peas. I don't know. I do have some yard-long beans that I planted along a trellis, but they're really small still. So, but they're growing. So I imagine they'll probably climb up, and we'll get some more. I did add some. I added another tree to the garden, and just trying to establish that. As David the Good calls the grocery row. That's what I'm wanting to do with my big garden plot. But I am, looking at digging plots all around just to increase my yields. And but yeah, I added another tree, so I've got, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 trees in the garden now. So obviously it'll be one of those things where, and I believe I've talked about it before, I won't be letting them get big. I'll be keeping them really small, but they'll serve as sort of the canopy layer. And two of them are actually from cutting cuttings, I don't know how long it will take the cuttings, like the mulberry cutting I have in there, which is growing the best out of all of them. I don't know how long it'll take for it to produce, but the stuff from seed will take a while, but it will fill a different role in the process. So that's all right if it doesn't produce a bunch of fruit yet. It's taking up space with roots, and it's providing that it will continue to provide that canopy layer. The cassava I've got in the garden is coming along. It's really starting to thicken up. So yeah, I mean, things are coming along. It's just about to get into that time of the year where it's so hot that it's hard to really get a lot of things to cooperate, because it just the heat just overwhelms them. So but we're starting to come into our rainy season as well, so which is always a good thing. There's nothing like rainwater for the plants, but and then I don't have to use as much water, but so yeah. But anyways, I just wanted to hop on and make another video. I have had some ideas from some other channels that I've watched about some videos in the future that I may or may not do. We'll see. I might try it, see if I like it, if anyone likes it. But just wanted to make a video. It's been a couple weeks, and I apologize again, but I was just way too preoccupied. And yeah, so I think that's all that's really going on now. Oh yeah, we had some squash and zucchini in her grandfather's, my wife's grandfather's garden, but that's finished. You won't get a super long season with those here if you can get them to grow at all, because of the pests and the heat. But anyways, that's about it, and I am hopefully we'll be back next week with something a little more productive than this. So, but again, thanks everyone for watching. I always appreciate it, and I always appreciate the people who have already subscribed, and I hope that if you're stumbling upon my channel and seeing this or seeing my other videos, that you'll like it enough to subscribe and help me grow the community. And yeah, I will hopefully be back next week. And thank you as always for watching, and take care.